Servus, this is Helmut from Chiang Mai, Thailand. Happy to see you. It is the sticky waterfall, and I'm also curious what we will see on the way to there. On the way to the waterfall, we need to stop here. We are just passing by here a restaurant, which is one of my favorite restaurants because they have one kind of northern Thai food which is called Geng Ray, and they're not only the best making Geng Ray here in Chiang Mai, it's the best Geng Ray you can get in all over Thailand. So that's why we stop here to eating something before we continue our journey. สวัสดีครับเก้งฮังเลมีไหมโอ้ที่นี่เก้งฮังเลใช่ไหมครับวันนี้ลำไหมลำทุกวันครับลำทุกวันเหรอลำเตะไหมลำเตะโอเค Just ask them, is it really delicious today? Lam in the northern language and the northern dialect means like delicious. And I asked like lam mai or lam ko, which means like, is it delicious? And they said, yeah. I said, is it delicious today? And they said, it's delicious every day. They are also very friendly and very special. เอาเก่งฮังเลพิเศษครับผมกับข้าวเหนียว and they have always also this fresh grilled, like this is a northern sausage, this is paduk, fish duk, and very juicy and fatty grilled pork. That's also awesome, delicious. It's so juicy and nice grilled here, like it should be grilled on open fire, not on some gas. Awesome. You see the smoke, it's really the, my god, it's so, how you say in English, sometimes I'm missing the words, it's so tasty, the smell, it smells so nice, awesome. And even it's also, in my opinion, a little kind of cute. It's loud because it's very just beside the main street here, but here it's like a little bit, it gives you a little bit the jungle feeling, how they made it here with water fountain and all that stuff. So looking forward to enjoying here my Geng Ray. Now I got my food already, the most delicious Geng Ray you can get in Thailand. It's kind of a stew. It tastes a little bit like goulash. Like I'm from Austria, very close to where goulash was invented, actually in the Austrian-Hungary probably area. So Hungary is like the mother of goulash, and it tastes, or it reminds me a little bit to goulash, but it has also, which would you wouldn't put inside goulash, it has some beans inside. But you eat it also, goulash you eat normally with some rolls or something, and Geng Ray you eat normally with sticky rice. So I will tell you later how it tasted today. I know I said I will tell you later how it tastes after I finished it, but it's just so amazing. It's so juicy. It's like this combining flavor with pork stew and ginger and peanuts. I cannot really describe it. It's really one of the best dishes I ate the last couple of weeks probably. Awesome. with sticky rice. Okay. Full, eaten and paid, everything is fine. I really have a very special relationship to that restaurant because the first time that I was here, it's 10 years ago, and I was here only one time, and then I haven't been here for 5 years. And like 5 years ago I came here, and first time I came here, like the woman at the grill, she just said like, oh hello, it's like in the way like you would say, oh nice to see you again, something like that. She didn't say it. Then I asked her, do you know me? And she said yes. And I just started laughing because I thought, yeah, she would just say this probably to every foreigner or something like that. And she said, you have been here with your girlfriend. And I was laughing even more because probably 95% of white men coming here, they're coming with their girlfriend. So that's just random. And then she made me speechless because she said, your girlfriend was from Nan province and you were sitting, and she pointed exactly at the table where we were sitting. So I've known Thailand has 77, I think, provinces. And she cannot just accidentally tipping right to saying she was from Nan and pointing where we have where we sat. So I was really speechless. Like a restaurant, she is seeing every day new customers, and you're just being there one time, and after 5 years I really was thinking she's joking, but that really made me speechless, that someone really even can remember you after that long period of time if you've just been one time there. So that's why I have, it's one way why I have a special relationship to that restaurant. But even it's also the best Geng Ray in all over Thailand. And now we are going further to our mysterious secret waterfall. Oh, okay. To write my name. Probably this is my parking ticket. I don't know, but what scares the shit out of me, I hope I'm not too disrespectful to say that, is when I see how many cars here. I'm a little bit like sociophobic. I'm curious where we are going here. Now I looked around a little bit down. It looked like a place for Thai people picnicking. Everyone is making a picnic there. Normally actually you don't see in Europe also that someone is making a picnic. Very seldom, but this looks like the place. If you're looking to get a picnic, you are coming here. You should come here. So now I need to tell you what grabs my attention. That is something what really grabs my attention, is something like this. You look here. I don't know, is this a tree or is this a root? You see this? It's going there, and then it's coming up here. The trunk. You see it? And then it just turns over there, goes down here. It goes down here. And here it's going down again, and there it's going along on the ground. And then over there, I don't want to go inside there yet again with you, it's just going in the ground again. So look at this here. On the ground, then it goes up and it goes down on the other way. Servus, hi. So I have no clue. What is this? Is this a tree? Is this just a how you call it, a root? Is this just a root? Or what is this? That is something grabs my attention, but actually no one else pays attention to it. While the other things where everyone pays attention to it, mostly when I look at it I think, I don't know what is to see there, what is there special on this. That is something special for me. But okay, there must be a difference between me and ourselves, all else. So now we are here at this, I don't know actually, there should be a cold spring stood there before on some sign. They could also say the silent spring, because here it's silent compared to the other area over there. Here it's really pretty silent. That has a nice groove here, I like it. I love like seeing big trees like this. Awesome. I love like this. That is a nice place here. This is the spring for the waterfall. Oh wow, they have also some fish inside there. That looks cool. Good that they're writing no swimming. If they wouldn't write no swimming, I would take a swim here. I don't know if you see through the reflection. That looks really awesome. The ground, it looks very awesome. A lovely nice pond. Okay, now let's head back. That is how it looks like here at the moment. Okay. Uh-huh. Muan ko?อ๋ออีลีเป็นคนอีสานเหรออ๋อเว้าลาวเหรออ๋อคนแม่สายออกไปหาเพื่อนมาเที่ยวมาจากออสเตรเลียครับยุโรปออสเตรเลียSo okay, let's go down here. ผมโอเคครับ I just joked a little bit with them. Asked them where they're from, and if it's funny, it's really funny here in some kind. Maybe I should also take like a rope for just emergency cases. Uh-huh. Okay. Sorry, I hope I didn't ruin your shot. Oi! Really, when you see some, how you say in English, algae, they are slippery. They made me frightened now. Okay, now this is not that sticky again. but it was just inside the water, quite slippery, and you would hurt yourself if you fall down. If you fall down here, I'm sure you will hurt. Okay, that is how it looks like here. Looks beautiful. Really beautiful. It looks awesome, the tree inside the rocks here. Okay, found the way to go there. I think that's pretty much it here. At least it looks like I'm at the rock bottom. Yeah, that is too steep here. That's very awesome. You just step away 5 meters and you find yourself like alone and lonely in the jungle. It feels like this, but no one is just walking 5 meters separate. So let's have a look how it will be here. It's awesome. Wow. A big butterfly is just now parking at my camera. You cannot see it, but that looks quite awesome. That is pure nature, pure jungle. The sticky waterfall are finished. Is finished. Waterfalls are finished. It looks awesome here. That is really... Here you have a really jungle feeling. Wow. How long you all will be here? May I ask?
A month.
A month.
Yes, and we return to Vietnam for another month.
Vietnam is I was only one time there. It was also a very lovely country. Similar from the people, similar friendly like the Thai people here. Even a little bit more in my opinion. Maybe because of communism, they are a little bit different from there. Like, you know, the communists, everyone is the same and everything belongs to everyone, everything is equal. Maybe that's why. But
you experienced it, I guess.
are you saying Chiang Mai? Cool. Have a lovely day so far. Good Thai music. So now we are here at this airplane coffee. I am not sure, but I guess that this is the airplane coffee. On the way to the waterfalls, we have seen it. And I thought when I will come back, I will take a coffee, a hot cappuccino in it, if it's possible. I don't know it. Okay, you need to buy a ticket. Open daily from 9. Check in. I don't get it. I will ask them how it works. Ticket 120 baht. And do I get a coffee then there? Is it nice and air conditioned? Check-in tickets. We will figure it out. Are my hairs beautiful? สวัสดีครับ อันนี้เป็นยังไงครับ
ข้างบนจะเป็นคาเฟ่ค่ะ ก็คือซื้อตั๋ว
120 บาท
แป้งของ
ทุกอย่างมีที่นอน
ใช่ค่ะ
มีแอร์คอนมีทุกอย่าง
อะไรนะคะ
มีแอร์คอนดิชันใช่ไหม
ใช่ค่ะ
โอเค I try one
1ไว้นะคะ
หนึ่งใบครับ so let's take a look just for my audience not for me just to know to let the audience know how it is like place worth to visit 120 บาทใช่ปะ
ค่ะใช่ค่ะ เดี๋ยวเข้าไปเลือกรายการเครื่องดื่มอีกห้องนึง
ทำอะไร
ไปเลือกรายการเครื่องดื่มเช็ค
ดึ
อิน
เช็คอะไร
เช็คอินฟรีเครื่องดื่ม
check in
yeah.
now we have to go to the check-in so if you want to drink a coffee here in this it's not the Boeing, it's the other one, Airbus. You have to buy a ticket first. Here, then you have to check in. You have to check in here. Sawadee krap. From check in krap. Passport ไหม
no passport
ไม่ต้อง so we don't need a passport here for the check-in. That's really because just an it's not it's just domestic flight. Yeah, that's a good. I take the iced cafe latte.
I'm sorry counter bar course and your order and one and one.
Why I don't have? She said I have. There is everything here.
Course 5
What time is now?
o'clock.
Or if it's closed already, then no, I don't want to go if it's closed already. I thought I can sit inside half an hour or something. Because I don't have a watch, I don't have a telephone, I don't know it's already 5. ผมไม่เอาแล้ว Because this I don't want anything of that, and I want to have. I think I can sit there half an hour. ผมไม่เอา So I'm too late. I don't want to get a coffee and rush through the plane. I thought I could take a seat here, but it's not possible. Có 5 โมงแล้ว
ยังไม่ถึง
เขาบอกที่นี่ไม่มีที่นู้นไม่มีกาแฟสำหรับผมชอบไม่มีแล้ว because เวลาหมดแล้วก็ใช่ไหม
ก็คือมีให้เลือกฟรีคนละ1เมนูแต่
Yes แต่ว่าอันนี้ไม่มีแล้วไม่มีคาปูเย็นไม่มีลาเต้เย็นไม่มีแล้ว because she บอกเวลาหมดแล้วผมบอกโอเคไม่เอา because ไม่อยากเฮอรี่พรุ่งนี้มาก็ได้อาจจะไม่รู้
อ๋อเขาคุยข้างบนเรียบร้อย
ก็ไม่มีกาแฟ because ไม่รู้หมดแล้วสำหรับเวลาหมดขอบคุณครับ Yeah, I'm sorry my friend I would have liked to go there inside it's only 40 degrees Celsius so quite cold I guess here is also very that I like this small propeller machine looks awesome that looks really awesome something like this you don't see it from this light perspective something like that looks awesome I love it I really love stuff like this probably I'm still a small boy inside my brain look at this unfortunately it's closed yes and because I have here in the camera one thing I really regret I don't feel complete it makes me still sad that I didn't take a swim there like I love water of course I love water my existence is 70% water so of course I love water and so I couldn't connect there to the water really with taking a swim and that makes me really feeling sad I actually like angry in the kind that I would love to go back and take a swim for some way, because that I didn't have the courage to do it. So I had the courage to do. I would have had it to take a coffee, but she said it's 5 already and we cannot do it. And I just I could go it, but I don't want to rush. I thought I would have a nice seat and talk to you a little bit and just think about my day. It was an awesome day, really an awesome day. It's really to recommend the experience, really real Thailand, because you see they are just Thai people, even like the people I talked to, the one from Chiang Rai, the other one from northeast Thailand. So they come to travel and they take, that is a sightseeing for Thais, not for foreigners. So that's a secret, a hidden gem, to put it in that way. Sayonara.